Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Afterpay virtual card number. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so the first step is to open the Afterpay app. So launch the Afterpay app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find it on the App Store, iOS, or the Google Play Store, Android. And then from there, log into your Afterpay account using your email and password. Once logged in, tap on the card tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Afterpay card section. If you haven't activated your Afterpay virtual card yet, follow the prompts to activate it. You may need to verify your identity and agree to the terms and conditions. Once your card is activated, you should be able to see your virtual card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. These details are typically hidden for security reasons, but you can tap on the card to reveal them. And now from there, copy or write down your card number and keep it in a safe spot. So tap on the card to reveal the full card number. And then you can use this for online purchases. And now on a side note here, if you have trouble finding or viewing your Afterpay virtual card number for whatever reason, you can reach out to Afterpay customer support through the app and they will be able to direct you and give you further assistance.